Hey guys, this is Dietrich with Vetesnik Power Sports. Come check out this 2026 Bennington S Swingback with a blackout package. This boat's optioned super nicely. It's got a Mercury 150 4-stroke in the back of it, so super quiet, super reliable. There's dealers all over the place for them. This one also has a tri-tune, so it gets you up on top of the water a lot easier, better contact patch with the water. So tubing, skiing, that sort of thing is going to be much easier with a tri-tune. On the interior, Bennington gives you the most comfort and practicality. You've got recessed cup holders on each side, storage under all the seats, center table with cup holders. In the center tune, you get a lot more storage, so great spot for tubes and things like that, skis. Comes with a cover and all your poles. You've got reclining co-captains and captain's chairs. And at the helm, you've got your Rockford Fosgate 4-speaker audio system, all the controls for that. You've got your Garmin navigation, engine controls, tilt steering wheel. Then you've got motor trim up and down, forward, reverse, just like you normally would. You've got your adjustable swingback, so rear-facing seating or forward-facing seating. More recessed cup holders in the back. And then you get the perfect view of that Mercury 150. If you guys have any questions, come check it out at Vetesnik Power Sports in Richland Center.